Today we're making this multigrain ochazuke with pickled shiitake mushrooms and sesame spinach, served with an umami miso mushroom dashi. Ochazuke is a Japanese dish traditionally made with steamed rice and an assortment of savory ingredients submerged in green tea. Let me show you how to make this delicious whole grain version. We'll start by preparing the umami miso mushroom dashi. Place the water and shiitake mushrooms in a pot and gently simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the Knorr Professional Intense Flavors Miso Umami, which adds a delicious savory depth of flavor. Let this steep for 30 minutes, then strain the mushrooms and reserve them for the pickled shiitake along with half a cup of liquids. Season the remaining broth with soy sauce and sugar. Now we'll make our pickled shiitake mushrooms. Combine the umami miso mushroom broth, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, ginger, and mushroom in a pot. Simmer on a low heat for 30 minutes, then cool. For the sesame spinach, I'm starting with spinach that I've blanched, soaked in ice bath, and drained. Place the spinach in a bowl and gently mix in the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, salt, and sesame seeds. Now let's get ready to serve our dish. Place a spoonful of warm multigrain rice into a bowl and sprinkle with edamame. Next, place a spoonful of the pickled shiitake mushroom, amount of sesame spinach, and the poached egg on top. Carefully pour the umami miso mushroom broth into the bowl. Sprinkle the shoga, scallions, and furikake on top. There you have it! Delicious, healthy, whole grain rice topped with pickled shiitake and poached egg. Finished with a rich umami miso mushroom dashi, a great breakfast dish to start your day.